Ja, asuntoskeytti omina pellonnakin.
We have here today on the 15th of July 2025, and this is Ruotsinkatu, was it?
9.
9, yeah. Also the number 7 we have to get.
Yeah.
Is the original here? Is it still Ruotsinkatu or?
No, and it's Kivimaa.
Kivimaa, Lahti is Finland, and this has been built in 1965 with 5 floors. And the number is H13291, and the interior looks like it has been refurbished in the early 1990s.
Yeah.
Still amazing, sorry. And the right.
Yeah. Dit kiva, jos pitää meitä nyt päässä omiin surakointiin.
I love that sound and smell here.
Same here.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's